Hey, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's video is an after Thanksgiving cleaning motivation video. This video is part 2. I will make sure to link the after cleaning motivation video that I posted yesterday, part 1. It will be down in the description box in case you missed it. We are doing a 10-minute speed clean, and I'm working on getting my house put back together after hosting Thanksgiving.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. For so long, I've been thinking that we're more than just friends. Oh yeah. Oh, but maybe your heart is falling for someone else. Whoa, maybe we should talk for a minute. Then maybe we'd be getting somewhere. I just wanna love you a little to see where this is going. I really need to know, babe. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you. I think that we need a guiding light. Right now we're running around in circles. But if you don't even wanna try, I need to know it. Can we just open up? 'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm still a little high on you. Still a little high on you.
All right, guys, I need some help. Will you tell me below in the comment box what type of cleaning videos that you prefer? Do you like clean with me videos, speed cleaning videos, power hours, laundry motivation, or just any type of cleaning video? Let me know in the description box. This is a new channel and I want to make sure that I'm giving you the cleaning motivation that you want.
Yeah, you think you got the best of me, but just because I'm giving you my love for free, are things not for real? You've been telling everyone about us, but you are not the only one I call for fun. Late night that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, you tell me that I made you think. If we had something special more than happy drinks, you'll go without blinking. No, you won't see that I'm lying to be on my own, on my own. No, you don't hear when I told you I fear we are done, that we are done. Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. 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 Oh, hands in the air like I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Oh, love's in the air and I don't care. Music is fair to me, singing. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, baby. Come on, come on. Come on.
So guys, with Abe and Allie, especially Abe is a black lab and Newfoundland mix. He sheds all the time. I feel like that I run my vacuum cleaner, I dust, I sit down, and there goes a dog hair tumbleweed blowing in the wind across my floor. I love him to death and I get him groomed regularly, but that dog loses lots of hair. So in every video that I post, you'll probably see me running the vacuum somewhere in my house.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new. Just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let go.
I think I'm about to call it quits. I've been cooking for 2 days, hosting an event, and now I'm cleaning. I came up with this hack to organize my cleaning supplies, so I'm going to get this done. I'm going to move some laundry over from the washer to the dryer, and then this girl is going to head to bed. Wanted to tell you guys, thank you so much for following along, and don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see you all in the next one.